Got to Know recipes where we elevate everyday meals using tried and true techniques. Today, I'm super excited because we've got an extra special episode doing a $3 bento challenge with Tabi Eats, Just One Cookbook, and Chopstick Chronicles. The idea of the challenge is to show you just how easy it is to make a delicious, balanced bento for under $3. Some of you may know me as the host of TV's Bento Expo. And doing the show has made me a true believer that one of the best ways to save money and eat healthier is to bring your own boxed bento lunch from home. To prove it, I've challenged myself along with 3 of my favorite YouTubers to come up with a bento box for under $3. For my entry, I'm making my ginger chicken bento, and it's going to be packed along with my Tamagoyaki from the other day and loads of fresh fruits and vegetables. Are you ready to get started? Let's do this! For the ginger chicken, I'm going to be using chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, and we're going to season that with soy sauce, sake, sugar, and grated ginger. Okay, let's start with the sauce. I'm going to add my sake, sugar, and ginger to the soy sauce, and then we're going to stir that around until the sugar has completely dissolved. For the chicken, I've got a frying pan over medium heat, and I'm going to add a bit of vegetable oil to keep the chicken from sticking. Then I'm going to add the chicken in a single layer with the skin side down. We want to let this fry undisturbed until the chicken is browned on one side, which is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the chicken is browned on one side, flip it over and continue frying it for another minute or so. Now I'm going to wipe up all that oil and chicken fat that's rendered out into the pan using a paper towel. This not only cuts back on the number of calories, it also helps the glaze adhere to the chicken better. Okay, let's add the sauce. Ooh, I wish you could smell this. Oops, I forgot to heat my lens, so it's getting a little foggy, but the idea here is to burn off the liquid to form a glaze that sticks to the chicken like stripes on a zebra. And that's looking perfect. When it comes to packing bento, I have just a few simple rules. The first is to use a small bento box, which helps you control your portion sizes, and it also forces you to pack the bento tight. This keeps the food from moving all around when you're on the go. And if you're doing it right, you should be able to lightly shake your bento box without the food going all over the place. The second rule is to use edible separators. I like using leafy greens like lettuce, kale, or cabbage, which not only adds a splash of color, but it also separates the different food items so your savory things don't touch the sweet things. My last rule is to make it colorful. I'm talking a unicorn just barfed in my lunchbox colorful. This not only makes it beautiful, it ensures that you've got a balance of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. I also try to make my bentos about 50% fresh fruits and veggies, 25% protein, and 25% carbs. But it's not a hard and fast rule by any means, so feel free to adjust it to suit your own dietary preferences. To pack the bento, I have some cooked rice, frill lettuce, broccoli, tamagoyaki, carrots that I've cut into flowers, and a strawberry. I like to start packing my bentos with the rice. This provides a solid foundation that makes it easier to figure out where all the other ingredients go. Then I'm gonna add the ginger chicken because it pairs best with the rice. Now we're gonna add some lettuce to separate our veggies from the meat and to fill in some of the extra space. Next, the tamagoyaki goes in, and I'm gonna use some broccoli to prop them up on both sides. And I have just enough space for the strawberry to squeeze in. Now let's arrange things so that nothing gets buried. And I'm gonna finish the bento off with some flowers that I've cut out of carrots. Piece of cake, right? Bentos are a feast for the eyes, but the wide variety of textures and tastes will keep your mouth entertained as well. Although it may look a bit small, there's 3/4 of a pound of food in here with about 530 calories, so it should also keep you powered through your afternoon without getting hungry. So here's the moment you've all been waiting for. How much did this bento cost to make? Yup, that's right, $1.80. Good luck buying a lunch that's this tasty and satisfying for $1.80. So I hope I was able to motivate you guys to start bringing your own bento box lunches from home. For a little more inspiration, please check out these other amazing $3 bentos from my friends. First up, we have Nami from Just One Cookbook, who's gonna show us how to meal prep bento for under $3. Next, we have Shinichi and Satoshi from Tabi Eats, and they're gonna show us their Hamburg bento. And last but not least, we have Shiho and Elizabeth's Popcorn Chicken Bento. Click the links in the description below to check out all their delicious looking bentos. Okay, so here's my challenge for you. Go and make a bento for under $3 and post it to Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag $3bento. Want to see more bento videos? Let us know by leaving us all a like on our videos and leave a comment down below telling us about your favorite bento. Alright, it's beautiful and sunny outside today, so I'm gonna go take my ginger chicken bento out to a park and enjoy it. But I'll catch you next Sunday. Check us out on Instagram at No Recipes.